In this video, I am going to share Newton's three laws of motion. First law of motion states that every body tends to remain in the state of rest or in the state of motion in a straight line unless some external force acts on it. Unless some external force is applied on the body. So this is nothing but property of inertia of a body. Suppose a body is at rest, it will continue to be in the state of rest unless some external force acts on it. If a body is moving in a straight line, it will go on moving in a straight line unless some external force is applied. So this first law of motion is also known as law of inertia, because definition of inertia is also same. Now let me share what is the meaning of second law of motion. The second law of motion says, suppose a body is moving with some momentum p. By applying external force F, suppose its speed changes, that is momentum changes. Then second law says the rate of change of momentum of the body, that is dp by dt, is directly proportional to the externally applied force. This is the definition of Newton's second law of motion. And this sign of proportionality can be changed into sign of equality by introducing a constant of proportionality, suppose it is k. And it has been found experimentally that constant of proportionality has value equal to 1. So second law becomes dp vector by dt is equal to f vector. Now momentum can be replaced by mass multiplied by velocity of the body. It is equal to f vector. Mass of body is a constant. It can be taken out of derivative. So we are left with dv vector by dt is equal to f vector. Now what is rate of change of velocity? It is nothing but acceleration of the body. Ma vector is equal to f vector. This is another form of Newton's second law of motion, that if we want to calculate force, we have to multiply mass of the body with its acceleration. Next is Newton's third law of motion. Third law of motion says to every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. So what is the meaning of this definition? Suppose a body strikes a block. When it strikes, this body will apply some force on this block. Let me call this force as F. This is called action by this body. When this strikes this block, the block will also exert a force on the body. This force exerted by the block back on the body is called reaction. Let me denote this force of reaction as with F dash vector. So Newton's third law of motion says that reaction F dash vector will be equal and opposite to the action. Means magnitude of F dash vector will be same as magnitude of F vector, but their direction will be opposite. This opposite direction is denoted by negative sign in this relation. So this is called Newton's third law of motion.